Hello students, I am Dr. Satish Chauhan, Associate Professor, Chemistry Department, Gokhale Education Societies, RNC Arts, JDB Commerce and NSC Science College, Nasik Road. In this video, we will learn molecular orbital theory of chemical covalent bonding. Before this, we should know what is chemical bond. A chemical bond is a lasting attraction between atoms, ions, or molecules that enables the formation of chemical compound. Types of chemical bonds. There are two primary types of chemical bonds which are formed by atoms or molecules to yield the compounds. These types of chemical bonds include ionic bond and covalent bond. Ionic bond. Ionic bonding is a type of chemical bonding which involves a transfer of electrons from one atom or molecule to another atom or molecule. For example, here sodium loses its electron, forms sodium plus ion, that is cation. The lost electron by the sodium is accepted by fluorine and fluorine is converted into fluoride ion, that is fluoride anion. When sodium plus and F minus combine together, they give rise to the formation of NaF molecule, and the bond between them is ionic bond. Let us consider the figure. Here sodium transfers its electron to fluorine. It becomes Na plus and fluorine becomes F minus. They come closer, forming ionic bond. Covalent bond. A chemical bond formed by sharing of electrons between two atoms is called covalent bond. In hydrogen atom, there is a covalent bond. Each hydrogen atom possesses one electron. Each of the hydrogen atom shares its one electron and gets, here we get the two electrons. Thus, one electron of this hydrogen and one electron of this hydrogen form HH sigma bond. Hence, it gives H2 molecule. Another example we can have is methane molecule. In methane molecule, there are 4 hydrogen atoms and 1 carbon atom. Each hydrogen atom has 1 electron in its atomic orbital, and carbon has 4 electrons in its orbital. Each hydrogen shares its 1 electron with carbon and forms CH bond. So in a total 4 hydrogen bond CH bonds, these are formed with carbon. Thus we get CH4 molecule. Theories of chemical bonding. There are 5 theories of chemical bonding. Lewis theory of chemical bonding, presented by Gilbert Lewis in 1916. Cosell's theory of chemical bonding, Albert Cosell 1916. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, that is VSEPR theory, presented by Neville Sidgwick and Herbert Powell in 1940. Valence bond theory, Walter Hitler and Fritz London 1927, which was further extended by Linus Pauling and John Slater in 1933. Molecular orbital theory was presented by Friedrich Hund, Robert Mulliken, John Slater, and John Leonard Jones in 1932. Let us consider valence bond theory of covalent bonding. Theory was developed by Walter Hitler and Fritz London in 1927, and later it was extended by Linus Pauling and John Slater in 1933. The theory is based on the following principles. Let us consider two isolated independent atoms A and B. They possess the wave functions psi A and psi B. Then the total wave function of the psi of the system can be written as the product of wave functions of the two atoms, which can be written as psi is equal to psi A into psi B. If system can be represented by wave functions such as psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 and so on, then the true wave function psi can be obtained by taking a linear combination of all these wave functions, which can be written as psi is equal to n C1 psi 1 plus C2 psi 2 plus C3 psi 3 and so on, where n is the normalization constant and C1, C2, C3 are the various coefficients. These coefficients are so adjusted as to give a state of lowest energy and maximum stability. Assumptions of valence bond theory. A molecule is made up of atoms. Atoms maintain their individuality in a molecule. A molecule is formed by the overlapping of atomic orbitals. Electrons in a molecule are localized as if they are in isolated atoms. The wave functions of the orbital of a molecule is a product of the atomic wave function of the individual atoms. The electrons forming the bond between the two atoms undergo exchange between them, and thus bond is stabilized. The main features of valence bond theory: overlapping of atomic orbitals of the two atoms having unpaired electron forms bond, and electron spins are mutually neutralized. The electron pair is localized between the two bonded atoms. The strength of bond depends on the extent of overlapping. Larger the area of overlap, stronger is the bond formed. It gives explanation for the presence of partial ionic nature in a covalent bond. It introduced the concept of resonance and the connection between resonance energy and the molecular stability. Limitations of valence bond theory. It is limited to qualitative explanation only. It does not explain the prediction or interpretation of spectra of the complexes. It does not account for the detailed magnetic properties beyond the level of telling the number of unpaired electrons. It does not account for the relative energies of different structures. It does not take into consideration of splitting of d energy levels. It cannot explain why certain complexes are more labile than others. Need of molecular orbital theory. The most serious limitation of valence bond theory is that electrons in the molecules are treated as they are localized and behave almost as in the isolated atom. The molecular orbital theory. The valence electrons are considered to be delocalized and associated with all nuclei in the molecule. Thus, the atomic orbitals form different atoms must be combined to produce molecular orbitals. The magnetic properties are very well defined in MOT. Let us see the molecular orbital theory of covalent bonding. Molecular orbital theory was presented by Friedrich Hunt, Robert Mulliken, John C. Slater, and Sir John Edward Lennard Jones in 1932. It treats the molecule in the same way as an atom. It is based on the assumptions like a molecule is made up of atoms. When molecule is formed, atoms lose their individual character. A molecular orbital is associated with molecule as a whole. Electrons in the molecule are delocalized, as while in an isolated atom electrons are localized. The quantized molecular orbitals of varying energy levels surround all the nuclei of the bonded atoms. Molecular orbital is associated to form by the coalescence of the individual atomic orbitals when the atoms to be bonded come together. The wave function of molecular orbital are obtained by linear combination of wave functions of the atomic orbitals. Comparison and features of valence bond theory and molecular orbital theory. Valence bond theory considers an atom consisting of nucleus and the electrons present in an atomic orbital. Thus, atomic orbital is monocentric. The molecular orbital theory considers that an electron in a molecule moves in the field of more than one nucleus and one or more than one electrons. Thus, molecular orbital is polycentric. Just as there are s, p, d and f orbitals in atoms, there are sigma, pi and delta molecular orbitals in the molecules. Just as atomic orbitals possess different shapes and energies, molecular orbitals also possess different shapes and energies. Just as atomic orbitals can be arranged in their increasing order of energy, the molecular orbitals can also be arranged in the increasing order of energy. Just as phi denotes the probability of finding electron in a particular orbital of an atom, psi denotes the probability of finding electron in a particular molecular orbital. Just as we use above principle and Hund's rule of multiplicity for atoms, we can use it for molecule. Therefore, each molecular orbital can accommodate two electrons with opposite spins, and the electrons are first filled into the lower energy orbital, and then electron go to the higher energy available molecular orbital one at a time. The atomic orbital of two or more atoms combine to form a molecular orbital only when they have close distance, similar energy, matching symmetry, and matching geometry. According to valence bond theory, when atom A and atom B combine together, they do not lose their identity while forming a molecular orbital. Let us consider atom A combines with atom B, gives rise to the molecule AB, in which the individual identity of atom A and atom B is maintained. According to the molecular orbital theory, when atom A and atom B combine, they lose their identity while forming a molecular orbital. Let us consider atom A combines with atom B and forms AB molecule, where this molecule in this molecule atom A and atom B lose their identity and form AB molecule according to the molecular orbital method. The difference between atomic orbital and molecular orbital. Atomic orbital contains single nucleus, that is, it is monocentric. Molecular orbitals contains more than two nucleus, that is, it is polycentric. The nucleus of atom is fixed in a space. The nucleus of constituent atoms of the molecule are fixed in a space at their proper relative orientation. Atomic orbitals are named as s, p, d and f. Molecular orbitals are named as sigma, pi and delta. Atomic orbital is derived from a particular atom. Molecular orbital is derived from constituent atoms. Atomic orbital has a definite shape, size and energy. The shape, size and energy of molecular orbital depends on the shape, size and energy of orbital of the constituent atoms. In today's video, we have learned about valence bond theory and molecular orbital theory, their assumptions and features. In the next video, we will learn the rules for a linear combination of atomic orbitals, LCAO method, and formation of bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Till then, it's bye bye from me. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.